This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Christy Rucker. Open house Sunday 2 to 4 p.m. 5389 Zion Ridge delivers all the luxury you've been dreaming of paired with the practical features you didn't think you could find, including a spacious 3-car garage finished with high-end polyaspartic flooring that's as beautiful as it is durable, and a tall crawl space that's been transformed into the perfect workshop for the man of the house. Whether you're storing vehicles, tackling projects, or organizing tools, this home offers thoughtful spaces that go beyond expectations. Crafted with care and quality, this is another impressive home by Marblestone Construction, blending craftsmanship, luxury, and everyday convenience in a way few others can. Located in the sought-after Tennessee Hills neighborhood of Tellico Village, 5389 Zion Ridge Road is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offering one-level living at its finest. Step inside through the impressive 8-foot double mahogany doors and you'll immediately be welcomed by a spacious open-concept layout with soaring vaulted ceilings and a stunning floor-to-ceiling stacked stone fireplace. Flanked by custom cabinetry and floating shelves with a built-in mini-fridge for added convenience, the great room creates a warm and stylish space perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The chef's kitchen, truly the heart of the home, features vaulted ceilings that enhance its open and airy feel. Its large center island with bar seating is perfect for casual dining and entertaining guests. Equipped with a propane gas stove and dramatic stainless steel hood, stainless steel appliances, a farm sink, quartz countertops, and a spacious walk-in pantry, this kitchen blends style and function seamlessly, making it ideal for both everyday living and special occasions. A large laundry room offers abundant cabinetry for storage along with a utility sink, blending form and function. The oversized primary suite features a decorator's touch, including a striking feature wall that adds character and elegance. Drenched in natural light, the suite offers not one but 2 walk-in closets and a thoughtfully designed ensuite bath complete with a walk-in shower with rain head, frameless glass enclosure, linen closet, and a separate makeup vanity. On the opposite side of the home, the 2 additional bedrooms are generously sized. The second bathroom with a fully tiled tub/shower provides comfort and privacy for family or guests. Outdoor living flows effortlessly from the comfortable screened-in porch to an open deck area perfect for grilling, then downstairs leading to a stamped concrete patio perfect for enjoying the view of the beautiful yard and leads to the entrance to the workshop. The backyard offers a park-like setting on the nearly 1/3 of an acre lot, backing to a strip of common property for added privacy. The landscaping features lush fescue sod, multiple vibrant hibiscus, privacy-enhancing Leland cypress trees,